All right, friends, today we're going to use the same information we've been using and we're going to figure out how to make a bar graph. All right, a bar graph. Well, first, what does a bar graph even look like? I know that it has a lot of information and I can use my tallies to make it, but I need to know what a bar graph looks like. Well, this is the easiest way to make a bar graph. I'm going to make a big rectangle. In my rectangle, I'm going to have different squares for different things. I'm going to actually have 6 categories because we're still going to use our M&Ms. So each M&M gets its own column. So now if I chose my M&Ms, they each get to represent one of these columns. Now I have to figure out how many is going to be represented going up. So I could make a bunch of squares going up. I know that my 8 green ones need to fit on this bar graph. So I need to have at least 8 rows. There. That should be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rows. Let's number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Awesome. So now we have our units, how many we're going up. We have our labels of what color M&M, we have orange, blue, yellow, green, brown, and red. And now we need one other thing for this bar graph. We need a title. So what should we call this bar graph? This bar graph could be called, oh, I know, we're talking about M&M colors. Let's talk about M&M colors. And now we can figure out how many go in each square. So for every tally that I have, I get to fill in a box. And when I'm done filling in these boxes, you definitely get to see what the difference is for this. So let's fill in. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green ones. We have 4 red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 brown ones. 1, 2, 3. We have 1 yellow one. We have 7 orange ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 6 blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look it. I said I had 8 green ones, so I filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that 8 equals that 8. 4 red ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 equals that 4. They're on the same row. And each one makes sense. Now I can easily see, instead of looking at my handful like this, which one's the most, which one's the least? I don't know. But if I put it out in a graph, I can easily see green is the most, yellow is the least.